Welcome back, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again.
Ma'am, in that period, I was the first.
You are always the first. Huh?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning,
Right
ma'am.
now, good morning.
Good
By
morning,
now,
ma'am.
I think that you must be having these 3 chapters on your fingertips. We have done these 3 chapters so many times.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can do ma'am revision.
Revision again.
Ma'am, we can. Ma'am, I have a game.
What game?
Ma'am, reading. Ma'am, reading.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, one very interesting game.
What?
Ma'am, we can choose any chapter from the book. Ma'am, any chapter.
Okay.
And then we will, he will select our children, and the child will.
Good morning, ma'am.
The child will do what?
Ma'am, this game we have played. Ma'am, first which
Dave. Wait.
वो वाला नहीं है.
Yes,
Then
Utsav.
ma'am, the chapter will select then the child will select a paragraph, and ma'am, paragraph or pedia, and ma'am, then full group has to answer, and ma'am, one who will answer first will get a point.
I didn't understand only. Like we can choose a paragraph from any page.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we'll have to read it out.
No, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, we have to select a paragraph. The child will select a paragraph, and ma'am, the full group have to answer in the chat box. Who will answer the first will be the winner.
Okay, suppose on page number 106, I chose the last paragraph. Okay?
Yes.
There are many places to visit in West Bengal.
Ma'am, now you have to select a paragraph from this chapter.
ठीक है. Done. I have selected. Then what to do?
Ma'am, then the child will tell the question, and
okay, you tell a question from here.
Ma'am, where the West Bengal is situated in India.
Where is West Bengal situated? And then other child has to answer it.
Ma'am, full group has to answer in the chat box. Who will be will get the first?
Okay. All right.
Will win 1 point.
Okay, nice
and
game.
Ma'am, ma'am, this is for my success.
This is for your success. Why?
Ma'am, because this is a typing game.
So this is a typing game. So you'll have to look for it. You'll have to search the answer.
And ma'am, we have to see in the book.
Yes, you have to look into the book and then find the answer and then type the answer.
Ma'am, for short answers.
Yes. So everybody is okay with the game? Everybody agrees to play this game?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, but if anyone take any paragraph and we do not know the answer, then can we see from the book?
Yes, of course. You have to see every time. You have to see from the book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, because it can be any chapter.
Yes, it is from your whole book. The test is from your whole book. Yes, Ira.
Ma'am, which game, ma'am? I have late joined, so I do not know.
Ma'am, I have told 3 times.
Ma'am, can you tell?
Okay, listen to me. Now it is a game wherein every student will get a chance to put up a question. Now, how you have to put up that question is, from this book, you can choose any page. Okay, you can choose any page, and from that page, You suppose I take out page number 43 and my question is, what does the word hydro mean? What does the word hydro mean? Iramnaz, your earphones are not in your ears. You cannot hear me. I'm explaining the game to you. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
my one earphone.
Okay, so have you understood the game?
Yes,
Now see,
Yes, ma'am.
now see, this answer has to be typed to everyone so that we can see who has typed fast. Okay, so here Varun is the winner because he types hydro means water. Fine.
Ma'am, this is not the question.
My question was, what does the word hydro mean?
Ma'am, you are explaining.
Yes, I'm explaining. I'm just giving for an example.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, so nobody get the point.
Now this was just a what do you say? Just a practice kind
An
of a thing.
example.
Yes, example.
Okay, ma'am. Example. Okay,
Now
ma'am.
who is okay? Let's start the game roll number wise. Anshuman will put up the first question from all of us.
Easy रखना.
Ma'am, I don't want.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you?
Beta, open any page of your book. Frame any question
Choose
from.
the paragraph.
Choose a paragraph.
And then from that paragraph, we have to choose a question and tell to everyone, and then we have to type in the chat box. Who will be give the first will be the winner.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Everybody mute yourself. Everybody just mute yourself. Ashvik, we are playing a game. In this game, what we have to do, one of the students, each student will get a turn. One of the students will tell you the page number and the paragraph number. From that paragraph, he'll put up a question. You have to search the answer and type the answer in the chat box. Okay, whosoever. Yes, whosoever gives the answer first will be the winner. And even I can be the winner, even I will type. I am also playing this game. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, this is the cheating.
No, this is not cheating. You have taught me the game. You have taught me the game. Even I am a learner, new learner. Okay, Anshuman, what is your first question? Tell us the page number.
The dates of some festivals are decided according to
No.
the position of.
First, tell us the page number.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 121.
121. What is? Okay, what is the question?
Ma'am, the dates of some festivals are decided according to the position of the moon. They are called dash festivals.
अरे क्या सा क्वेश्चन दे दिया?
Ma'am, Dev is the first.
पैराग्राफ तो बताओ.
बता तो दिया.
Ma'am, he has not told the paragraph.
Very good. You haven't told the paragraph, beta.
Ma'am, this is the cheating. No
Ma'am,
one
I
gets
have told the. Ma'am, I have told Factpedia.
You told Factpedia.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no problem, Utsav.
Okay, ma'am.
Dev is the winner. Now whosoever will be the winner will put up the question. Dev, now next question is from your side.
Okay, ma'am, I am thinking.
Thinking nahi, book kholo.
Ma'am, the page is same only. Ma'am, 121.
Okay. Question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is from Green Earth.
Okay.
We get food from plant and animal. If environment is clean, then our food will also be dash and dash.
Wow. This is no question.
Ma'am, this is a question. Ma'am, I am the winner.
Ma'am, the first one is Iramnaz. Ma'am, clean and
Where is
healthy.
my answer? I also typed the answer. Where has my answer gone?
Ma'am, sometimes we have not clicked to type message here, and then ma'am, we do not have to run.
All right. So who is the winner? Iram Naz is the winner. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Iram, next question from your side. Very nice game, Utsav.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm not telling.
Iram, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, she can write in the chat box.
Tell us the page number, the paragraph number. Iram, where are you?
Page number 129.
Page number 120.
Ma'am, she's audio is
Okay. 129 and paragraph soil. Okay, children.
Ma'am,
And
there
her
is
question
soil
is,
ma'am, which paragraph, ma'am? Soil pollution is here, ma'am. Effects of
take that only. Take that only, soil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the question is, what is pesticide?
soil or land pollution occurs when we do not
Ma'am, I have given.
lot of pesticides.
Ma'am, your answer is wrong.
Yes. Instead of
Ma'am, they
animals, no, see, but under it I have typed and harmful insects.
Ma'am, this is the cheating.
Okay, cancel my answer. Even your
And
answer is
they-
not correct.
And ma'am, they have cheated your answer.
Yes, he
Ma'am,
has done.
I am the winner.
No, your answer is also wrong. Look at your answer. And Ashvik has cheated your answer.
Ma'am, this is cheating.
Nobody has won it so far.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
time. Ma'am, there is a time limit also.
Ma'am, please wait.
Now I think Varun is going to be the winner.
Ma'am, there is a time limit also.
Yes.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
2 minutes is too long. Just 1 minute. Okay, nobody has given the correct answer here. So Iram, you have to repeat your question. You have to put up another question. The chemical which is put in the soil to kill germs.
Maya said, Ma'am, I have typed the correct answer.
Pesticides kill insects, not germs, beta. Pesticides are for harmful insects. They're not for germs. Iram, please, new question, new page, new paragraph.
Ma'am, if we put a time limit, then it will be so interesting.
Okay,
Then
Varin Goyal. Okay, Iram Naz,
120.
120, page number 120. Everybody take out.
Language.
No, let me take out.
Simple
I
question.
am typing.
Paragraph
Ma'am, but
language.
I have given the correct answer.
Yes, Varin has given the correct answer, but beta, it took too long. Huh? You
There
took
is a
too long to
time
type the answer.
22.
English. What is
The question.
certain languages different.
Some regions, people
I have sent the answer. I am the winner.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is cheating.
Why?
Ma'am, given. Ma'am,
What
I am
are
the winner.
dialects?
Ma'am, I am the winner.
You are not the winner.
Ma'am, I am the winner.
Ma'am,
Okay. The one who raised this question will decide who is the winner. Iram, you decide who is the winner.
अरे मुझे दिया ना.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
no.
She's saying
Ma'am,
ma'am,
this
ma'am.
is cheating. No, ma'am.
I am the winner. Yes.
No, ma'am.
So what are dialects, children? Regional languages are dialects.
Ma'am, I am the winner.
You need not type such a big answer.
Ma'am, I am the winner.
Okay. Now next question will come from my side. Wait.
Ma'am, I am the winner. Yes.
ma'am, I am the winner.
Ma'am, I have given the first.
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, I have to give the question.
No, I'm giving now. You will win now. Now you will win. When I'll be out of the game.
मैम मेरे हमको प्रॉफिट मिल रहा था
Ma'am, I think Varun is crying.
Varun, show me your face.
yes
Varun.
ma'am
Yes.
Ma'am, Varun's sister.
Varun, why are you crying?
no ma'am I'm not crying
Okay,
And
now
he's
page number
page number
103.
103. इतना पीछे.
yes sir
Ma'am, open.
When
I'm
was okay
Ma'am,
the
paragraph.
paragraph
paragraph
after the importance of northern plains, the next paragraph, the first paragraph. When was Punjab separated from Haryana? In which year was Punjab separated from Haryana? Okay,
अरे यार,
Iram
क्या हो
Naz. Iram Naz, Kushagra, Varun, Utsav. So the first is Iram Naz.
Ma'am, in that round, I was the first one.
No. I'm also playing.
So, ma'am, I am also winner, ma'am, you also.
Okay, so here now again Iram Naz is the winner. Punjab got separated from Haryana in the year 19. Oh,
Ma'am, Iram
Iram, your answer is wrong. It's Varun. Varun first.
yes
Yes, Varun, now show me your face.
No, ma'am, I am correct.
Kushag, see, you have typed 1996. Utsav has typed 1996. It's 1966. Varun has typed the correct answer.
Ma'am, now Varun has to.
Yes,
Select the-
Varun, now you put up the question. Very good.
Easy.
okay ma'am
See,
Ma'am,
this
I
is-
got.
See,
Ma'am,
this
full
is why we say slow and steady wins the race. He types
Ma'am,
it
full
slowly,
class-
but he types correct.
Ma'am, full class is on.
page number
Page number?
page number 97
Okay.
Ma'am,
Factpedia,
Huh?
Factpedia,
Okay.
Factpedia, the dash is the largest monastery in India and second largest in the world. किसने जीता?
I am the first.
Where is my answer?
TW.
Utsav, look at your spellings.
Utsav,
This
your
is wrong.
spelling is wrong. Utsav, your spelling is wrong.
Is not counted in this game.
No, this is acha. Who said spellings are not counted? Let me see. Let me see if my spelling are also wrong.
monastery is not in the Factpedia.
Ma'am Anshuman, because Anshuman has given the full answer.
Yes.
Has given the full
Anshuman has
answer.
given the full answer. So he wins.
Ma'am, full class is
Ma'am,
on.
but Tawang monastery is not written in the Factpedia of 97.
Beta, see, it is written on the
Ma'am,
top.
it is written.
On the top of the page, it is written.
Ma'am, I have not
not see in this one.
Okay. Now, next question coming up by Anshuman Gangwar.
My full class is on same rank.
What?
Page number.
Page number.
Page.
Okay.
Factpedia.
Okay.
What is the state with the state animal of Punjab is
Ma'am,
dash?
What is page number?
Page number 103.
Maybe your answer spelling is wrong.
What was your question?
Ma'am, the state animal of Punjab is dash.
Who is the first?
Now tell Anshuman who is the winner?
Ma'am, Ashwik.
Ashvik. Yes, Ashvik is the winner. Very
Same
good.
rank.
The state animal is the black buck. The black buck is the state animal of Punjab. Okay, Ashvik. Now what is your question?
I'm thinking.
Okay, think.
Page number 104.
Yes,
Paragraph Delhi.
yes.
Delhi is what?
National Capital Territory.
No, I have given first.
NCT is what? Anshuman has given first.
Ma'am, he has
What
said
is
that
NCT?
Delhi. Ma'am, Delhi is what?
National Capital Territory.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Delhi.
Anshuman is the winner.
Ma'am, Ashwik has said, ma'am, what is Delhi? Ma'am, it is NCT.
But I have write the full form also.
Yes, NCT.
Ma'am, so
National
NCT is also
Capital
correct.
Territory. Anshuman is the winner. Okay, Anshuman, your question.
Ma'am, page number 96.
Okay.
Ma'am, the second paragraph in 1947. Ma'am, that one paragraph. Ma'am, no, ma'am. The seven sister states are contiguous state. That paragraph I'm saying.
Yes.
Ma'am, my question is, they are a part of northern mountain range that lie in the dash range. Ma'am, can I tell the winner?
Yes, declare the winner.
Ma'am, the correct answer is Purvanchal range, and the ma'am, and the winner is ma'am, you.
Okay, and after me, who is the winner?
Ma'am, Iram.
Yes. After
Ma'am,
me,
after Iram.
Iram.
Ma'am, after Iram Utsav, but Utsav spelling is also wrong.
Yes, he has written Parvanchal. Now,
Also, who? Ma'am, ask the
okay, my question is, on page number 105, first paragraph, what is the full form of IGNOU? IGNOU. What is the full form of IGNOU?
University.
Ma'am, which paragraph?
First paragraph.
National
Oh, very good. Where is Jayesh today? Jayesh is not typing his answers. Jayesh, Dev, Arya, what happened to you all?
Ma'am, I have typed.
You have typed?
Ma'am, he is not
Yes.
speaking anything.
Yes, you're not speaking anything. How can the
Ma'am.
class go like that without Dev's beautiful words?
Ma'am, now I will not speak anything in class.
You will not speak anything in class.
Ma'am, only the things that are important.
But you spoke in between, that's why I stopped you while Utsav was speaking. So I stopped you. You should not speak in between. Or if you want to speak, you should say, excuse me.
Ma'am, the reason is not this.
Then
Ma'am, I will not speak from now. Ma'am, I am not speaking in the first class even.
okay. So why have you decided such a thing not to speak? Why have you decided not to speak? Any
Ma'am.
specific reason?
No, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, just
Ma'am, he wants to become a silent student. Ma'am, disciplined.
all right, that's good. Now tell me who is the winner. It's Iram Naz. I will tell you who the winner is. The full form of IGNOU is Indira Gandhi National Open University. And the winner is Iram Naz. So Iram Naz, next question from your side. Next question is from your side. Page number 98.
which paragraph?
Isuram.
Mizoram. Ma'am, what is the question? In the word is literally.
So what we have to do with the word literacy rates? Do we have to write that it has the highest literacy rates? It has the highest literacy rates in the country. Explain.
ma'am, this is a long question. Ma'am, you
Yes.
have asked, there will be no wrong question.
There are no long questions. Ma'am, we have to not write long questions.
It has the highest literacy rate in the country.
Ma'am, please say to Iram Naz to change the question.
So, ma'am, this is the answer that I have typed.
What have you typed? It has the highest literacy rates in the country. It has the highest literacy rate. And I have written in the country, the most educated people are found here. No, this is wrong.
Ma'am,
But
who is the
Iram, what are
first?
you trying to ask?
Ma'am, she
Iram,
didn't explain.
what explain? What
Ma'am,
explain?
Ma'am, he is saying, ma'am, I am Iram Nice. Explain me.
I am only trying.
I am only trying
Okay,
to
to
give
give
that.
the definition of literacy. What is the definition of literacy?
Ma'am, I have given.
No. Iram, what is wrong with your microphone?
Ma'am, tell him to give the next question from this page.
Ma'am,
and
I am
this
only trying to give you the word that has the meaning and you have to explain.
Ma'am, I am not understanding. He has to say.
We have to explain what literacy is.
Ma'am,
Or
but
we-
in the it is not so. Ma'am, explained.
Yes. Okay, Iram, you tell us what the answer is. What is literacy according to you? Okay? That is a good idea. Iram will tell the answer.
Ma'am, say him who is the first.
Nobody is first. In Mizoram, the highest one in the country is called.
Ma'am, I have said that only.
Okay, Iram, change the question. All right, Utsav, you put up the next question. Because you answered first, you put up the next one.
Ma'am, page number. Page number 107.
Yes, 107.
Ma'am, paragraph in the city of Joy, Kolkata.
Okay.
And ma'am, the question is, ma'am, dash of Kolkata was contrasted by dash. It is one of the oldest ports of India.
It is one of the oldest ports in India.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to name the port.
And ma'am, who built that?
Whom it was constructed by.
Yes, ma'am.
Who constructed the oldest port of India?
And ma'am, how many ports are there in India?
Beta, you can't question how many ports are there in India. The question can be, name
Ma'am,
two ports of Kolkata. Name two ports of Kolkata. Who gave the answer?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, Anshuman has given the second answer. Ma'am, but yes, ma'am, Anshuman is the winner. And ma'am, but he has not told the name of the
Number.
Utsav, but I am the first. I am the first. I have given the answer first.
Ma'am, Anshuman is the winner. Ma'am, because
Okay.
yes,
Then I tell the port name and by which it was built. But first I have told. No, I have told first.
Anshuman, Varin, Anshuman sent the answer before you, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And also, Anshuman, the spelling of Haldia is not correct.
yes,
You-
ma'am.
है ना?
Ma'am, Varin is the winner.
But Varin has not named whom it was constructed by. Varin has
Varin-
just
Ma'am, I
named 2 ports.
Ma'am, I have named.
Where have
Name
you
of the
named?
one port.
Anshuman is the winner.
See, everybody,
Named.
Utsav questioned, name the oldest port and it was constructed by whom? You have named the 2 ports, that's correct, Varin, but you haven't named whom it was constructed by. है ना?
Ma'am, I have sent the message.
Ma'am,
Where,
Anshuman is
where,
the
where?
winner. Ma'am, Anshuman is the winner because ma'am, he again tell the answer Haldia.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Varin,
sent
Varin. Okay, listen,
ma'am.
children. Varin has sent the answer on the top. First, it is British. First, you asked whom it was constructed by. He has sent the answer British. And then you asked the names. He sent the name of both the ports. Actually, Varin is the winner. Yes.
Ma'am, only one port.
So, what is the problem? He named both of them. He is not wrong. He will get the points, beta. Because he has answered it was constructed by the British and he has also named both the ports. Utsav, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, Varin takes the point. Now, Varin, what is your question? Varin, tell us the page number.
Ma'am, I have 2 points, ma'am. Same rank of the full class. Ma'am, sir.
Ma'am, Varun is not asking the question.
Varin, we are left with no time. You have to hurry up.
Ma'am, page number 69. Ma'am, page
69.
number 69.
Okay, what is the question?
A dash is the administrative head of a state.
Paragraph.
Okay. First paragraph, a dash is the administrative head of the state. Who is the administrative head of the state? And all of you be careful about the spellings. Only the correct spellings will get marks.
Chief Minister.
CSITF, Chief Minister.
Ma'am, I am the
Ma'am,
first in the class.
Anshuman win.
Anshuman is the first.
Ma'am, Anshuman win.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have
Anshuman win.
Ma'am,
See?
I have to win.
Ma'am, Anshuman.
Beta, above you it's
Ma'am,
Anshuman.
Anshuman.
Ma'am, in my computer it is showing, ma'am, I am
Okay.
the first.
I will show you in my computer. I am clicking the picture and sending on the class group. Okay? All right, Utsav, you can check on your WhatsApp class group.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am seeing.
Okay, even you
please.
can show.
Ma'am, I can show.
Yes, you also show. You send it to me privately. Don't send it on class group. If this is the case, then both of you will get 1 point each.
Ma'am, so who will ask the question?
Who will ask the question?